Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can create custom layouts for the assets in data governance and catalog. Let's look at our agenda. First, we will look at what we can do with the custom layouts. Next, we will look at the prerequisites required. Then we will look at a demo. In Metadata Command Center from November 2023 release, we can customize the layout of asset pages or preview panes for each asset type. This functionality allows us to create custom layouts for different asset types based on the needs of the various departments in your organization. We can customize layout for asset pages by adding or removing tabs such as stakeholders, data quality tabs, and data element tabs. We can customize layout for preview panes. We can customize grid layout for asset pages, and we can assign asset page layouts to individual users or user roles. Prerequisites. We should have the following feature privileges to create custom layouts under Metadata Command Center. Asset page customization from Feature tab. Let's look at a demo. We can create custom layouts for all asset types, both business and technical assets under Asset Customization tab from Customize section of Metadata Command Center. For this demo, we will create a custom layout and a preview pane for a business term asset. Let's first create a custom layout for a business term. To create a custom layout, click on the Add icon, provide a name, choose type as asset because we are trying to create a custom layout for an asset. Choose business term as asset type, and we can choose to which users this layout should be visible for. For now, I'm choosing all users and I'll click on OK. We can now customize the layout here. We can customize the layout for asset pages by adding or removing tabs such as stakeholders, data quality, and so on, based on the type of asset that we are trying to customize the layout for. For the tabs such as stakeholder, data quality, and hierarchy, we can customize only the order of columns in the grid. Like we can organize, swap name for type, and also we can only choose the number of items per page. That is the only customization available here for the tabs other than overview. For the overview tab, we can customize what page components we need based on our requirement. We can drag and drop these page components. Also, we can customize the layout ratios by clicking on the container here. We can choose the ratio 2:1, and we can drag and drop the status here. Once you're done with the customizations, you can click on preview to see what this looks like. And seems we ran into where it says empty panel. So for the data quality, as you can see here, we have not added any page components. So let's drag and drop the rule occurrences, and let's click on preview. So this is the preview of the custom layout that we have designed here. So overview and status, stakeholders, data quality with only rule occurrences, and hierarchy. We'll click on close. Now when everything looks all right, you can go ahead and click on save. Now we can publish this. Let's now go to data governance and catalog and see how this uh, layout looks. I'm just refreshing the data governance and catalog. Okay, on that we can see by default, uh, since the layout is set for all users, by default I can see the layout applied. In case if there are more layouts, or let's say you want to switch back to the default layout, you can click on this layout icon at the right top corner and choose whatever layout you want to switch to. Now let's create a custom preview panel for business term asset. To create a custom preview panel, click on add icon, provide the name, select the type as asset preview because we are trying to create a custom preview panel for asset. Choose asset type as business term, and we can choose to which users this layout should be visible for. I'm choosing all here again and click on OK. We can now customize the layout for preview panel. We can reorganize the attributes here by dragging and dropping. We can choose which attribute should be visible uh, and which attribute should not be visible by toggling with show badges or show attribute toggle button here. We can also choose to hide the related assets tab with show tab toggle option that we have here. Once everything is perfect, you can click on preview to see how this looks. And you can save this and let's publish this. So the layout, custom layout for preview panel has been published. Let's see this in action. So I'm going to data governance and catalog service, clicking on browse. Sorry, before that let me refresh the page. Okay, so by default the custom layout will be applied here, as you can see from the by clicking on the custom layout option that we have here. If you want, you can go back to default layout. Also, you can set a layout as default by clicking on the set as default icon here. Now, let's see the last customization feature added in November 2023 release, which is grid customization. I'm using this table asset as an example. We can customize grids such as these by clicking on the gear icon here and selecting the grid settings. We will be presented with a wizard to customize the grid. We can choose which columns should be visible and which should not by moving these columns. We can sort the data ascendingly or descendingly, and we can also choose the grid density. You can click on OK for the changes to be applied to the grid, and that's all for the customizations. We are now done with the demo. You can refer to this uh, documentation. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.